keep that.
Oh, she's going down. Right, okay. Ah, you bugger.
And then we grab our meat. Look at that! Oh, I'm deep in the mustard section now.
Don't die. Hello and welcome to another episode of off-road riding for the overweight taller gentleman. Got a bit of a plan today. Got a camping trip coming up over Christmas, and one of the key features of a camping trip is that it involves camping, and I haven't done any proper camp cooking for a long time. So I'm going to find a nice spot today and try out my new gear. I've been going mad buying knockoff camping stuff from AliExpress, so I'm keen to try it all out. Going to do a little bit of trail riding to get there, but it has been extremely wet recently because of a storm. We had storm, oh, I keep saying this wrong, Storm Claudia roll in, so everything is going to be super saturated, and as fun as it is, I'm not super keen on getting dead muddy. So we're going to do a bit of gentle trail riding, but the main aim of this is to find somewhere picturesque so I can sit down and have a little cook up. Oh my goodness, been having recent issues with the mic on the GoPro, so I've actually found out that the X5 can connect with the Cardo unit, so hopefully I'll have a backup. Yeah, this actually isn't too bad down here so far. Yeah, no, this is lovely so far. And that's a tree down. I spoke too soon. Right, that is a tree down. Let's see if we can move that. I do not believe for a second I'm capable of moving an entire tree, but we'll have a go. Keep that in. Brilliant. Yeah, this is a bit of a bugger, this. If I do that, might be able to get it around here. Okay, we live here now. We definitely live here now. You have to turn around. Oh, she's going down. Oh, there we go. Right. Oh, that's exhausting. Oh, there's a bit of excitement I wasn't expecting. Gonna get to the end of the road and find an alternative route. Oh, I was literally just there. Let's go for a cruise along here then. Sheepdogs doing their thing. Is that a young one in training? I think it might be. And a duck farm. the good thing about Central Forest. There are so many miles of tracks. I've so far only stuck to the ones I know, but I know there are a hell of a lot more that I have yet to discover. Like that one maybe, or that one possibly. Right, okay, wasn't ready for that. I was not ready for that. Some boys. Ah, boys, and the Defender. Okay, loads of people out. And a walk. I'm taking this slowly. Yep, fairly wet. How do? It is popular today. He's busy. How do? Hey up. Oh my god, it is so muddy down here. So many bikers out today. Just had a stream of them come rolling past. But yeah, I am taking the sedate line today. I'm not in a hurry to get filthy. Although there's definitely going to be ones that I will not be able to miss. I reckon if I just pull in there, I can make a nice cup of tea there. Not a bad spot for a brew, really. Cool. That's better. Nice cup of tea in me. I feel ready to take on the world. Oh, it's so muddy. Yeah. Wow. A big slide. What a lovely community to ride in. Like, I've just had half a dozen people stop, make sure I was all right. Let these lads past. Smart. Quad biker. Fairly sure the GoPro battery just died. Here he comes. That looked like so much fun. These puddles are not getting any smaller. Oh yeah, just pick my way through. Ah, oh, lovely. Oh, going under here, might slip a little bit. Ah, the old Timpsons did their job. Okay, I'm turning ABS off because I forgot that was back on. You know what, I'm going to take it off. Oh, hello, rider down. You all good? Yeah, no worries. Oh yeah, it's very clarty, very slippery, and very much a fuckload of fun. Whoa. Ah, you bugger. So strange that a muddy forest track could be such good fun. Oh yeah, we're sliding now. All of these bomb holes are just filled with water today. Ah, chosen the wrong side. Right, a little wall ride. Oh my god. Okay. Ah. Alright. This is crazy slidey now. And I am bobbing in and out of the ruts like no one's business. I really do not want to go down. Now I've ridden this trail quite a few times now, but going the opposite way in the wet makes it almost unrecognisable, these signs say. there's a motorcycle enduro going on today. Well, that's a bit of a shame, because that was kind of where I was going to go and have a sneaky little cook. There are a couple of side shoots down here to possibly have a look at, so we'll do that. Yeah, that was my original spot. I was just going to nip through that gate and stash up in all the bushes, but no, there's an enduro event. That might explain why there's hundreds of motorbikes going down here. So this was the other potential. Oh, a little spot down there, actually. Let's have another little look down here. Another one there. Okay, I'm going to try one of those little side shoots back there. And it is one, but was this the one? Oh. Okay. In there, isn't I?
Right. I think I found my spot. So, yeah. Let's get a little cook on. First things first. Let's get this little chair out and see if it's going to hold my weight. Oh. I have a feeling one of two things are going to happen. It's either going to snap or it's just going to sink into the ground. Let's have a little go. Okay. So far, so good. Right, what's next? So I've got a knockoff jet boil called by Wide Sea. And that comes with, well, it didn't come with the gas, that's mine. It comes with the burner, the mug, stand, and a lid. I think it also comes with a coffee plunger, but I'm not bringing coffee plungers out with me. Yeah, that works. Right, that should be locked in. Yeah, we'll use this one. Water. And yeah, let's get this fired up. If I can find a bit. Sounds like it's going. Ah. Right, cup of tea. Well, it's taken 3 minutes, if that, to boil. So, turn that off. Pop a little tea bag in. Ah, it's a big cup, it can have two. Get my titanium spoon out, because are you even allowed to go motor camping if you haven't got a titanium spoon? Little splash of milk. That's hot. Oh. Can confirm. Cup o' tea. So, first task passed. Can provide tea for myself when I'm out and about on the bike. Small victories. Okay, we'll just check this is working. Got another bargain AliExpress cooking set. I think we're going to be using pan for this. In my little bag of tricks I have got garlic powder, butter and some Coleman's mustard, horseradish because I couldn't decide which one I wanted, reduced to 50p chia batter, lovely bit of steak from the local butchers, and some asparagus because I was feeling a bit extra. Oh, I also have salt and pepper because you can't cook without seasoning. Right, get the pan on and lit. Oh, the other good bit about this little camping set, it did come with a tiny, well, smallest spatula. So we'll use that. We'll put that to use. I'm gonna do what the chefy types do: season my meat. Now I've got these, the cutest little salt and pepper pots you've ever seen. Now, what is it they do on the ones? They season the board, don't they? Season the board. Season the board, salt and pepper, the greatest combinations of seasonings in the world. And then we grab our meat. Right. Pop that on there. Right, salt and pepper on the top as well. Whoa, 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 whoa. Got a bit gung-ho on that one. Right, pepper. Nice. Salt. Lovely. While that's heating up, and get a little bit of butter. Oh, if someone walks past, I'm gonna look like a right weirdo. Just chatting to myself, making a delicious steak sandwich. Right, butter and a knife. It's a nice big bit of steak, so we're gonna get a nice big bit of butter in there. Oh, wow! That got hot quickly. So. Oh, I remembered. On the way here this morning, I popped by a local rosemary bush I know and snaffled some rosemary. So we'll get that in there as well. Steak and rosemary is a banging combination. Alright, that to me sounds pretty hot. That is not in the least bit level either. That's better. Right. In she goes. Give that border work down. Now the granules in there as well. So I'm not going to touch the steak because I want that to get nicely browned. So while that's doing its thing, I'm going to try and remember how you prepare asparagus. I think you kind of see where it wants to snap. Feels good. Yep. Okay. The smell. Garlic powder, salt, pepper, rosemary and steak. Frying in butter. Not been in very long, but have a little look. I might be ready to go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little bit more rosemary on there. Lovely. And because this is a treat, I'm going to have more butter. Because nothing ever got worse by adding more butter. While that's going, I'll chop my ciabatta up. Alright. Trusty Opinel red knife. Never cut towards your hand. Aye, like that. Happy with that. For the record, I don't eat like this all the time. Special occasions. I'm going to say that is probably done. Pop that on the board to rest. Nice. More butter. Because it's the asparagus' turn next. Seems like a chefy amount of butter. That'll do. In with the tips. Oh, this is going to be so good. going to scrape the pan because there is a lot of stuff sticking to the bottom, but that's where the flavour lives. Look at that! Okay, I think I'm probably done. I just burnt myself. Put them on the board. There. I'm going to shorten my life by a few years and just do something. Probably not the best idea, but beats trying to butter them. Oh. Run out of places, I was just going to have to go there. Oh, all that steak juice. Ah. Right, that can go down. It is the most important bit now. Chopping up the steak and seeing if we did good. Okay, we did good. Let's have a little look. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Right. Assembly time. I couldn't decide if I wanted horseradish or mustard on this. So I'm going to try and go 50-50 if possible. Mustard next. Okay. I think that's a bit forest. Got to try and not eat all this before I prepared it. Would you just take a look at that? Oh, it's going to be so good. Oh, I nearly destroyed it. It's going to be so nice. Oh, I'm well chuffed for this. I guess that all it really remains to do is eat this. Oh God, this looks so good. Absolutely love horseradish. I reckon you could pickle a shoe, smear it in horseradish, and I'd still enjoy it. I love horseradish. My only issue with steak is I have standard British teeth that just do not create a bite across the front. So with strips like this, I will just bite in, essentially just gripping the meat, and then just withdraw the meat from the sandwich. I don't have the ability to like saw through the meat, but you know, it's always been like that. Still love it. Asparagus just complements the steakiness so well. Question is, do I do a full 10-minute video of me just eating a sandwich, or do I edit it down to tasty highlights? This didn't take more than 10 minutes to cook. One pan, butter, steak, asparagus, bit of rosemary, salt, pepper, garlic powder, ciabatta bread, and this is good quality meats right here. This is nice foods. I'm a little bit chuffed if you can't tell. Unless you have a moustache of a certain length, you'll never understand the awkwardness of eating in public, or as I'm now discovering on camera, because the moustache has to claim its share. It will have a little bit as you go in. Oh. The skies are starting to blueing up. I'm going to move you there. Maybe we can get a bit of blue. Okay, we're into the mustard section now. Still a banging cross section. It's got all the mustardy bit left. I know I've got stuff on my face. I can feel it. Do I constantly wipe? Or do I allow for a build-up and then wipe? Cross section still holds up. This is confidence inspiring for being able to cook Not only just to sustain myself, but cooking for pleasure. Because I love to cook. Like, cooking is a pleasure for me. But it's good to know it can be done with the bare-ish minimum of gear. I think I want to cook every time I ride. I wonder if there's a niche for lanky fat lads riding bikes at a novice level and making delicious sandwiches, because I could fit right in that niche. Oh, I'm deep in the mustard section now. Ay, ay, ay. That's a holly bush. I just high-fived it. Oh, gonna need to sleep after this. This is always a sad moment with any good meal. The final bite. Ciabatta, steak, asparagus, half horseradish, half English mustard, drowned in butter, barely cooked, mainly drowned. 10 out of 10. Like, literally 10 out of 10. You won't live long if you eat this all the time, but you will have a hell of a lot of fun for what short years you do have. Yep. Well chuffed. Kitchen. Banging sandwich. Cooked on a camping stove. Minimal fuss. Gonna have to start thinking what to cook next. Oh, first to last bite. Just delicious. I think next time I'm just gonna go pure horseradish. I am an absolute sucker for horseradish. Whew. Well chuffed. Right, 40-minute kip. I think one of the biggest surprises was that the chair, as if that held my weight. Look how small it is. That's got no business holding someone like me. But it did. I mean, the Yorkshireman in me loves the idea of AliExpress, cheap gear, but I do know that the old, what's the old saying? Buy shite, buy twice, or something like that. But it feels like that one was good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Very, very impressed. Same with the fake jet boil. That impressed me. That thing always impressed me. Love that bike to bits. But yeah, very, very happy with the way that went. I've got such a full belly. I could totally just have a nap right now, which doesn't bode well for the ride home. Before I leave, always got to follow the leave no trace rule. And there is no trace. When I am gone, there will just be a mysterious flat spot. But yeah, good. Alright, I guess head home. Might stop for a cup of tea on the way back. But that was, that was today's mission completed successfully. Extremely successfully. Way, way tastier completion than I was expecting. That sandwich is about as good as it gets. Just got one last stop for the day. Nip to the car wash and give the bike a little sexy bath. Oh, it's busy. That's it now, it's the end of the day. The food has all been consumed. It's starting to get dark. Yeah, it's been a fantastic day out. I am chuffed to bits with how the cooking went. So that fills me with confidence that I will be able to transfer some of my minor chefing abilities into being able to survive in medium levels of luxury whilst out camping. As always, thank you ever so much for taking time out of your lives to watch a bit of nonsense from my life. And yeah, all being good, all being well. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, have fun. See you later. Bye bye. Choo.